Good morning. Good morning, Michael. Wake up. It's 6 o'clock.
5 more minutes.
No, Michael. You have to go to work today.
I'm too sleepy.
I have an idea. Nelson, wake up. I need your help. Good morning, Mom. What's the plan? Shh. Dad won't wake up. Let's play a little prank. Great idea. Ready?
Ah! It's freezing!
Michael jumps out of bed.
Who did that?
Good morning, sleepyhead. Now you're awake.
Oh, really? Come here.
Run, Mom. Dad is coming. Catch us if you can. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Let's start our day with big smiles. Yes, let's brush our teeth. Come on, everyone. Let's brush our teeth together. Brush, brush, brush. Don't forget to brush for 2 minutes. Look, my teeth are so clean and shiny. Wow, your smile is sparkling. Great job, Nelson. They rinse their mouths and wash their faces. Cold water wakes me up. Me too. I feel fresh and happy. I'm awake now. Let's exercise. Exercise gives us energy and keeps us healthy.
It makes our muscles stronger and our hearts healthier.
So let's exercise every day and enjoy a happy life.
Now it's football time. Yes, yay! I love football. Be careful, Nelson. Don't kick too hard.
Nice pass, Nelson.
Watch this shot!
Nelson kicks the ball very hard. Crash. Oh no! Oh my God! The window glass cracks and breaks slightly. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry.
Nelson? Are you okay?
Yes, but the glass is broken.
Accidents happen.
Thank God no one is hurt.
Nelson, I know you didn't do it on purpose.
But next time, be careful with power, okay?
Yes, Dad. I'm sorry.
It's okay. We fix things. I'm proud of you, Nelson. You told the truth. I was scared. Courage is not about being perfect. It's about being honest. And we still play football? Yes, but away from the window. All together. Yes! Well done, everyone. Now let's go to the kitchen and make breakfast together.
Great idea! I'm really hungry.
Me too. Let's go.
I'll cook the eggs.
I'll make delicious sandwiches. I'll pour the milk and set the table. Thank you, Nelson. You're such a big helper. I like helping my family.
Wow, we make a great team.
That's right. Teamwork makes everything easier. The table is ready. Excellent job, Nelson.
Breakfast is ready.
Enjoy your breakfast. Wow, it looks so yummy.
Wow.
A healthy breakfast gives us energy for the whole day.
Strong and happy. Breakfast is my favorite meal.
Michael, what's your plan today?
I'll study hard, listen carefully to my teacher, and make my teacher proud. That's my smart boy.
I'm proud of you, son.
Always do your best.
I will, Dad.
And always be kind to your teachers and friends. I promise.
Wonderful. We have an exciting day ahead.
All together. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Nelson. How are you? I'm great. Nice to see you again.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Angela.
Today, I have a special message for you. Always believe in yourself. Every day is a new chance to learn something new. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help us learn and grow. Be kind to your teachers and classmates. Work hard, never give up, and always do your best. I believe every one of you can achieve your dreams.
Thank you, Miss Angela. We will do our best.
Excellent! I'm proud of all of you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Goodbye, Miss Angela. Goodbye. Have a great day.